Here is our list of the top 5 best monitors for MacBook you can get right now. The ViewSonic ColorPro VP2776 is a 27-inch professional-grade monitor tailored for MacBook users and creative professionals. Featuring a QHD Nano IPS panel, it delivers 95% DCI-P3 color coverage and Pantone validation for precise color accuracy. The integrated ColorPro wheel allows intuitive color calibration, enhancing workflow with software like Adobe Creative Suite. A 165Hz refresh rate ensures smooth motion for video editing and gaming. USB-C connectivity provides 90-watt power delivery, simplifying setup. Additional features include an ergonomic stand, magnetic shading hood to reduce glare, and ambient backlight for improved visibility, making it ideal for photographers, video editors, and designers. The Dell UltraSharp U4025QW is a 40-inch curved LED monitor designed for MacBook users and professionals needing a high-resolution workspace. It features a wide Ultra HD 5120 by 2160 resolution, IPS black technology for deep blacks, and 99% DCI-P3 color accuracy. With a 120Hz refresh rate, it ensures smooth visuals for productivity and creative tasks. Thunderbolt 4 connectivity delivers 140-watt power, while an integrated KVM switch enhances multi-device workflows. Additional features include an ambient light sensor for eye comfort, ergonomic adjustments, and TÜV Rheinland certification for reduced blue light. Its expansive display and premium features make it ideal for content creators and professionals. The Samsung M8 is a 32-inch 4K Ultra HD display designed for both productivity and entertainment. It features smart TV functionality powered by Tizen OS, allowing access to streaming apps like Netflix and YouTube without a PC. The PC-less productivity feature enables users to browse the web and edit documents via Microsoft 365. It includes USB-C connectivity, wireless casting, and a slim-fit camera for video calls. Additional features include voice assistant support, built-in speakers, and adaptive display settings. Its sleek slim design and IoT hub integration make it ideal for MacBook users and multi-purpose setups. The Dell G2724D is a 27-inch monitor with a 2560 by 1440 QHD resolution and a fast IPS panel, offering sharp, vibrant visuals. It boasts a 165Hz refresh rate and 1 millisecond response time for smooth, responsive gameplay. With VESA Display HDR 400 certification and 99% sRGB color coverage, it ensures accurate colors. The monitor supports NVIDIA G-Sync, AMD FreeSync Premium, and VESA Adaptive Sync for tier-free gaming. It offers versatile connectivity with HDMI 2.1 and DisplayPort 1.4 ports, and features an ergonomic stand with height, tilt, swivel, and pivot adjustments. Ideal for MacBook users, it combines performance, comfort, and affordability. The Apple Studio Display is a 27-inch 5K Retina monitor designed for high-end visuals and seamless macOS integration. It features a 5120 by 2880 resolution, 600 nits brightness, P3 wide color gamut, and True Tone for accurate and vibrant colors. The display includes a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera with center stage, a 3-mic array for clear audio, and a 6-speaker system with spatial audio. It connects via Thunderbolt 3 with 96-watt power delivery and has 3 USB-C ports. With a sleek design and ergonomic stand options, it's ideal for MacBook users, creative professionals, video conferencing, and immersive multimedia experiences.